Hey, welcome to the Serverless Survey course. I'm Adam Hawkins and I'm your instructor for this course. This course surveys the offerings from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft to prepare you for building serverless applications. The term serverless refers more to functions as a service. This is a new architecture style for modern applications, but do not let the name confuse you. Serverless does not mean there are no servers at all. Instead, it means that servers are simply abstracted away from you. Now, with serverless, you deploy individual functions or methods into the cloud and the provider handles the rest. Consider a backend HTTP API. A serverless application may map HTTP requests to individual functions, compared to a traditional model where one process handles all requests. This architecture doesn't apply only to web applications. You can use it for async or event-driven architectures, webhooks, or generally anything that fits nicely into discrete units of work. This course prepares you to build, ship, and run applications on AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and on top of Google Cloud Functions. This is a survey course, so I'll cover the lay of the land, assess the different providers, and touch on what's happening in the serverless ecosystem. Here's the specific learning objectives. 1. Understand the state of serverless in 2017. 2. List trade-offs between AWS, Google, and Microsoft platforms. 3. Learn to build, deploy, and run applications on the three platforms. 4. Learn open source tools for building serverless applications. And 5. Set you on next steps on your serverless learning path. You'll need some context before jumping into the course. Here's a quick checkpoint. Are you familiar with the term serverless? If so, great. This is the course for you. If not, then I suggest you start with the Getting Started with Serverless Computing course before continuing with this course. You'll also need some experience with the cloud providers as well, but nothing specific is required, though you should have a general idea of how cloud computing works. Finally, I'll do all of the demos using Node.js, but don't worry if you're not familiar with JavaScript. The code examples will be no more than a dozen lines. So my friend, sound good? Let's start off our survey by comparing the different providers.